watch, we're behind the wheel. Hope it doesn't come to this, but we ain't afraid to kill. Everyone's take up, that's what we say. As long as everything goes smooth, no one's gonna die today. Everyone's take up, that's what we say. Put all the money in the prize and we'll be on our way. All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
So there's our cut. Kind of let some nice natural light in here, or unnatural light. And you can see we kind of went slow. We kind of just, yeah, so this isn't even warm. Got to do that slow cut on your tin like that. You know, you don't want to be cutting a 14 by 14 hole out of your roof in one cut. So we'd cut and then we'd cool it off and we'd cut and there we go. Instructions say that you just cut an opening and you squeeze on the sheet metal. It's just supposed to, has these little bars here, and that's just supposed to squeeze against the sheet metal. I'd like to do a little better than that. I'm thinking we have these bed edges left over from the flex truck that we didn't end up using, and it's a nice strong piece, but it's not angle iron or something, you know, it's a nice pressed steel, and I think that'll work good, because we gotta make it curve a little bit this way, and it'll be straight this way. I think that'll work out nice. I'll put the fold to the opening kind of like that. You know, it can go along there, and then we can seam seal the edge and make it nice and tight after we weld it on. We'll probably just spot weld it from the top. Alright, I got our pieces marked out here, and we were even able to get 4 pieces out of the one stick, so that's good too. That's good. Alright, there's our little frame. Now I ground off the welds so they can sit up flush on the back there. I'm not going to worry about the welds on the front. Stick it up there and see how much we have to arch it here to line up with that roof. Man, that takes me back. That noise of that door is, I mean, it's exactly my 58 Olds. Has to be the same exact hinge, there's no way. I mean, it takes me right back to that car. So I put these low bars in that run side to side, and those are going to make it to where it can hold that 50-pound unit up there without flexing the roof and possibly cracking the bodywork around it, you know. That's a major concern with something that can rock back and forth like that, you know. You want that real solid. So hopefully now it's gonna, you know, just stay solid. I think it's gonna be fine. I could hang on that thing like a monkey and it's not gonna do anything. So now to clean up the welds, the spot welds on the outside, and then we'll seam seal that edge where the two pieces meet right on the hole there. We may test fit the unit, but I think we're gonna be fine either way. But I think that'll work.
Then I say to you, hey, dog, what you doing tonight? You're the prettiest sight that I've ever seen. Oh yeah, you gotta believe me. Hey, dog, can I hold your hand? I wanna be your man. I ain't looking for a one-night stand. Well, I know we just met, but I recognize those eyes, I swear. I seen them somewhere before. I don't mean to be so.
Well, it's gray. That is a lot of roof, folks. I could tell a whole story by the time I got to the back of this thing. Never get to see it, just the whole thing. Still don't really get to see it, but we're just gonna have to be happy with that angle there. Dang, that's a long rig.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.